What's the meaning of brashness? Brashness. Brashness.
Brashness. Brashness. Brashness refers to behavior that is excessively bold, impulsive, or arrogant. This type of behavior can result in negative consequences such as offending others or making poor decisions. Being too brash often involves acting without considering the potential ramifications of one's actions, and this can lead to mistakes, misunderstandings, or even conflict with others. Over time, brash behavior can damage relationships, reputations, and opportunities. It is important to balance confidence with thoughtfulness and consideration in order to avoid the negative effects of brashness.